This is the center console of a 2012 to 2018 Audi A1. Now let's show you how to remove the OEM screen and head unit. Please loosen the emergency light panel. Remove the screw securing the OEM screen. Pry open and remove the OEM screen, disconnecting all cables. Use special tools to remove the head unit and unplug the power cable. Take out the two power cables that come with the new screen. Please select the corresponding one according to the original car version number. Pry open the cover above the brake pedal, locate the gateway controller, and connect the gateway cable. Restore cover plate.